since you got one at gunpoint. Looks like he stopped at the yard. If you look up Shane Carraway, it's going to be his address.
What is it that we can do for you right now? Anything? No?
Probably nothing, just a hug.
You want to talk? Okay.
On January 7th, 2025, an officer with the Santa Rosa County Sheriff's Office attempted to conduct a routine traffic stop when the vehicle in question refused to pull over. After a short chase, the officer seized an opportunity to perform a pit maneuver. After pulling everyone out of the vehicle, things go from bad to worse for this friend group. If you enjoy police body cam videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Disorderly Florida. All parties are presumed innocent until proven guilty in the court of law.
The bail. Put your fucking hands up!
Get your hands up. Where's the driver? Where's the driver?
He jumped in the back seat. Put your fucking hands up right now. You stupid son of a bitch. You come out that same fucking way you come through. You shut your mouth.
Since you got one at gunpoint. Looks like he stopped at the yard. If you look up Shane Carraway, it's going to be his address.
You don't do like that. Oh,
You get out too. Get out. Get out. Now or I'm fixing to yank you out. Get out. Get out.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. Please, I'm begging you. I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Roll over.
I'm not doing nothing
Another guy in the back seat. There's another one? There's three. He jumped in the back seat.
You got him cuffed up? Give me a light right here. So check him for a gun.
I don't have anything. No, I'm not.
Yeah, he likes security cameras.
Get up. Put your feet up on it.
God almighty. I couldn't listen to that.
Lean back. You got a gun on you? None at all. Okay. Step back this way. No, not that I felt. You better be glad you didn't pull that thing. I'd have freaking smoked your fucking ass. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a heads up. If either of you take off or get stupid, you're getting dog bit. Do you understand? All right.
Is there a gun?
Yeah.
Dude, I didn't have no choice. They were taking us in a back dark alley. I was scared. He jumped in the back seat. His legs were still in the front. Where was the gun at?
It was laying right near the seat.
39.
Dude, she is. I can't even get my car. That's her.
It looks like
I'm gonna roll that window down, but you keep hollering, I'm gonna roll it right back up.
Can you just open the door? I'm not gonna run. I swear to God, you can stand right here.
No, I'll roll the window down. That's it.
Attack. I have medical panic attack.
Yeah, you're all right. Yeah, you're all right.
I have never dealt with cops or nothing.
Yes, you have. We just pulled you over a few weeks ago. Who was that Santa calling? Shoot, dude. I could not listen to that all the time. She's tiny. I mean, I just picked her up and moved her over here. With that wild animal in there. Enter at your own risk. I'll be here for you, but I mean, she's little. I picked her up and brought her over here. You good? You ain't nothing?
No, I'm good.
You better be glad he dropped that damn gun.
You got a jar of peanut butter?
Yeah. On his muzzle.
Oh crap, dude! I think I need my other jacket.
Yeah, it's cold out there.
Oh. Did he resist or anything? He may be the only one not going to jail.
I know this vehicle. What's her name?
Jenna.
Oh, Jenna. Hey, Miss Jenna.
Not that don't care, but if you wanted to know, my dad overdosed a month ago. That's the only person I got.
Pogo stick in the back?
Of course, yeah.
No, it's a bike rack that we don't have a pin for.
Shit, I told my husband, Nick, he's in jail.
That was a pogo stick.
He used to bug at me. And then I just met this bitch. And, you know, he's done a lot of bad. But your mind is still forming at that age. Because trust me, I'm still stuck in wife mode. I don't know nothing but cooking, clean. I don't know, but if you care to listen, then you know. Because I'm not anything that you're
talking about random nonsense.
It's my life, though. It's random to you. I have nobody left at all.
Jenna, calm down.
At all.
You remember?
I do. I think I remember where I remember from.
The stolen
Don't mix
the burglary.
Mm.
The grandma thinks she's the angel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, no way, Batman.
Yeah.
I do. Sorry.
Hey, you remember me? Yeah, oh my God. Temple.
So you know I'm not just a piece of shit out here. Just
Well, I don't know what you're doing tonight, and that's a little concerning to me.
going up to store
all
so
that?
that you can get cigarettes.
Something about was in her walk. Closed on with the
Trying to
Like a
get out
receipt?
of the street.
Like a
Okay.
receipt.
Yeah. Well,
Because if you care to listen to my story, you'd understand. I've been a wife since I was 15 years old.
okay.
Are you wearing a shirt?
Yes. I am, Mrs. Fox. Oh.
So,
13110.
I mean,
how can we help you? You're telling us that you've been a wife since you're 15. I mean,
Your teen is not getting out.
is there something that I can do to help you because of that? I don't understand.
I don't know what your final verdict is.
Just return
and what
to
happened.
91 stop.
My
I
final
have nothing
verdict?
on me at all.
Well,
I don't understand. I have never
I don't really
gone.
got a verdict. Do you?
Will you talk
I
to
do.
me, please?
Yeah, we'll talk to you in a minute, Jetta.
Can you please?
I'm gonna go ahead and, now that my body camera's recovered.
Y'all have rooming cars for him? Just for now, so
Yeah.
he can get out of
We got room. Is your backseat full? I got
No.
stuff in my backseat. I just
You
don't
can
know.
put him in my car. That's not a lot.
You want to walk back here, Bubba?
the... Just go sit back there for
It's better than being on the cold. You're just detained.
Right.
It's gonna be shit. That you wanna walk with me? Just walk back here. I knew I recognized that truck for somewhere.
Yeah.
Is Jetta still going down that bad path?
I should be trying to straighten up.
I got you.
Well, not doing a very good job. Yeah, not today.
You got anything on you?
No, they took everything off me.
Okay, we're just gonna patch you on before you put you back in there. Not saying I don't trust him, but you know, it doesn't hurt. I found a little picket knife on the other dude, so. Alright. Did they get an ID on you? Did they get your ID and all that? Alright, we'll grab that in a second.
Everything's over there on the
Okay, alright, brother. Alright. Just hang tight.
Hey, can we loosen these a little bit? They said I wasn't under arrest. They was just being...
Well, you're detained right now. They double locked. Let's see.
They're digging into my head.
Yeah, they got a little tight. I'll loosen them up for you, boy.
Please, thank you.
I need to check my car real quick. I got him good. I mean, it wasn't.
9110 check. 64, 97.
Yeah. I think it's pretty good. Some scuffs there.
Hell yeah, that'll buff out.
Scuff
Didn't bust your line.
Finesse, baby. Finesse, baby.
Very nice.
So much for getting off on time. Huh?
My camera's dead. I ain't got a car camera.
I got it all.
It didn't happen.
Yeah.
Dude.
Well, I've been
I
on.
think you had that gun only when I was pulling you out of the truck. Yeah.
Well, this property is.
It was barely under.
The further you get, the more dangerous it gets.
Yeah, last one, I got out where they took off through the woods, had a couple ounces of
Yo. So we lit them up back there on.
grass is slick, it's cold,
As soon as we turned on to
things happen.
Southland from 87.
Lit them up. Turn. He never. I don't know what the speeds were. It wasn't egregious. It wasn't crazy or anything. He turned in this driveway, and I was gonna try and pit him out there, but come real close to a pole. But he was doing probably 10 to 15 through this driveway and going back toward the back of this property. So I just pitted him right here. He jumped in the back. He had a gun.
He's got a warrant out of his cam here.
So it doesn't look like any vehicle damage. There's just some scrapes. I don't know what his was. Tore up before, so.
We figured that was going to happen.
Well, I didn't even know. Calder said he. No, he was going this way, and I spun him to where it was that way.
Yeah, they were hitting that way.
So I think when we come in the driveway, I was fixing to try and hit him or pit him, and I think I may have nudged him into turning in, but I didn't want him to get to the back of this property. So that's it. Danny's out working Finley. So.
Sorry. I just like somebody here next to me, that's all.
Okay, well, I guarantee they're going to come talk to you more in a minute.
Just a woman, that's what I'm saying.
Okay. What is it that we can do for you right now? Anything? No?
Probably nothing, just a hug. Isn't that weird, Dad?
I can't give you a hug, but is there anything else I can do for you? Take a minute, take a breath.
Will you just sit here with me?
I gotta close the door in a second so we can get on with the other people that were in the car. Well. Focus on breathing. Stay calm. Focus on breathing. You're just detained right now. Ain't the end of the world for nothing.
It's not
No.
it. It's just
Just a lot.
Just a lot. Yeah.
Just a lot. Okay.
Just a lot.
Put your foot over a little bit more. I'll have someone come back and talk to you in a minute, okay?
Hi.
Hey. How are you?
Why are you not in your long sleeves?
Because he said she was going to be a handful and I didn't want to have to be wrestling her if I had a coat on, so I took it off, put it on the hood of the car, and then
Are you regretting that?
Oh, alright. She wasn't a girl though, she was just crying.
She, when we got here, was screaming
Oh, I heard it from
at the
back
top
there.
of her lungs.
Yeah. She just wants a hug.
Oh, well.
I told her I can't do that, unfortunately, but...
Good.
Her hat's on the hood of your car.
in the car still?
Other than her stuff over here.
What is that?
She had like a piece of paper that went through the dryer in her pocket. So that's it. She would like somebody to sit with her.
She did not want to come out of the car, so I had to pull the subwoofer out and then pull her out, but it was like lifting a baby.
Yeah, she's not very big.
No.
But yeah, she would like a hug, and she'd like somebody to sit with her.
Yeah, she's not getting a hug from me.
I told her no.
Unfortunately.
But she stopped yelling for a minute. But now here we are again. Yeah. Well,
I think it's you. Maybe you need to give her a hug.
I told her no. I'm not really a hugger.
Yeah,
But
Saying it so.
I know. Hard to believe.
But as soon as he can get pictures or something else.
Do you need help with anything else?
Alright. First name's Damien, right? Alright, I gotta read you your rights first, okay? Alright.
If you've made it this far in the video, consider hitting the subscribe button. It really would help the channel out. Thank you, and let's get back into it.
You willing to talk to me? I just got some questions, man. I'm not trying to hem you up. Just trying to figure out what's going on.
Yes, sir.
You want to talk?
Like what happened here?
Yeah. About what was on you and all that stuff.
I didn't have nothing on me.
Okay.
Whenever y'all pulled me out.
Obviously, he just wants to know about the gun in the car and the fentanyl that we found and whatever else we not found. Do you remember me from last time you got pulled over?
Yes, sir.
What was it? I mean, if you're looking for some, somebody that might be on your side, it might benefit you to talk to.
I'm trying to help you out.
Yes, sir.
You want to go off or?
Okay. What's the passcode to this, brother? It's in a Spider-Man backpack. It's on 777. Is that it? This yours?
Yes, sir. Yeah, or 123. Mine's the T-Mobile. Yeah, it got a case on it.
He has a 39?
Yeah.
Okay.
You said this is yours?
I got a case on it.
Is this yours?
No, sir.
Just be real, man.
Huh? He said it's yours.
Alright, what's the passcode?
It's...
Hell, that's not cool.
That was literally my next step.
It was on 777. You said maybe 123. You tried to seem helpful.
He was so polite last time.
Hey, real talk, Renee, is yours?
Mine's got a case on it.
I mean, obviously, before this turned into a clusterfuck, I wish you would have just pulled over.
I ain't gonna cut. Y'all scared the fuck out of me. Boy, I was like, what the fuck?
One thing nobody can take from you, you've always been super respectful, and I appreciate that, honestly.
Yeah, y'all say I ain't gonna cut though. Y'all scared the fuck out of me. But whenever y'all scared the fuck, I thought that truck could get up and go, boy. That didn't.
Hey, man, is this fentanyl?
No.
What is it?
Mannitol.
Yeah, it ain't medicine.
It might be in the truck. This is ice in here.
Okay.
Is it recently in my desk?
Yeah.
Somebody shone a light.
Yes. Is that fentanyl?
Yeah, I bet you. Stick them in your pocket.
Do you want to talk about all that?
19 in
I can. You want to help yourself out?
Well, he said he
Yeah.
gave the passcode.
No, I'm talking about. Just, okay.
Who's in the back of this car?
That's the dog.
Dog.
Dog. Yeah.
Huh?
Is there?
You want to talk?
Is there?
Okay.
Is there?
Okay. Come on up. We got to ask you some more questions about the gun and the fentanyl, okay?
Real quick, dude. What's the pin to this?
Yeah.
Shaw's numbers in there that he said he can deal with from Alabama that comes down there.
Oh, for real?
You're fine.
And then this one. What's wrong with your phone here? What you got going on here?
I don't know. I don't think that's my phone.
What's the password? It was in your
Oh,
backpack.
that's not my phone.
It's not yours?
He said, no, that one.
All right, real quick. So we're going to obviously download this. Are there any photos of you with that gun in your phone? Okay. No photos of the gun?
No.
Okay. Is it Jetta's gun?
No.
Okay. Is it Chris Pollard's gun?
No.
Is it your gun?
No.
So let's deduce this.
It's the dude from, the gas station. It was a silver truck over there.
What's his name?
His name like Jake.
Jake? Jake what?
I don't know his name.
Did Jake give you the gun? Like, why did he give you the gun?
He just...
What did he see cops or something and was afraid, or?
Well, he already tweaking.
He's tweaking? Okay. So he gave you the gun and you just put it up. Like, what happened after he gave you the gun?
At the time. That's it.
Put it in there?
Yeah, just put it.
Yeah. Yeah, because that makes for a really dangerous situation.
So Jake gave you the gun, okay.
Now this,
but
what?
I know that gun don't have a firing pin. Too.
It doesn't have a firing pin?
Yeah, it does not have a
That's
firing
something
pin.
that's determined typically later. Powders. They found 2 other baggies of powder in a little like magnet box. Is that going to be mannitol as well?
No.
Is that fentanyl? That is fentanyl? Okay. Do you use fentanyl?
No.
You just dabble with it?
I just
make a come up. From everything I heard before you went to jail, you were on the come up. What happened? You were everybody's plug
this right
over here.
Yeah.
Huh?
This right here.
You were everybody's plug over here.
Well,
how'd you meet everybody from the East Milton?
Well, you see, they said they was looking for me hard, and I just got out.
Because you operated late at night. We don't like that, dude. You make us come out, work overtime.
I don't. That's the thing, though. I don't try to do that late at night. I hate late at night because, you know why? The roads are clear.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't make sense to operate late at night.
No, it don't.
So, who was your biggest customer over here back when you were, like, doing it the most?
Oh, man.
What do you look for?
I'm going to write down his passcode so I don't have to break your phone.
2001-20, right?
No.
Who's your biggest customer back in the day?
Back in the day?
Yeah. Like, who were you selling those zips to?
That was Dalton, but Dalton locked up.
Dalton?
Okay.
Okay. I mean, overall, I think that's covered.
Okay.
Do you want to cut it out?
What a set of lungs on that lady. How do you think these officers handled themselves under these circumstances? Let's talk about it in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Disorderly Florida. Till next time.